Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Webflow and how to make animations with it. I'm going to talk about the hover animation, how to animate an element or element inside that an element. We're going to animate this button. So we're going to see that when I hover that the small icon shows up with the button. And I'm going to show you how to achieve that. So first I create here a copy of this page, and here we can do the animation again. So or maybe I need, if I go here and I just erase the animation, and I think now it doesn't do. Yeah, wait a second. Okay, so first you have to choose the element that where the animation goes. In this case, the element is the button. So you press the button. You can see the button is selected, and you go here to the last one where it says element trigger. You press, and in this case you want mouse over, and then on over or over out. On over you want the start an animation. They have already that you can fade, slide, flip, grow, but you want to start an animation. So press start an animation. Plus you can give a name. Let's give the name arrow, for example. And now you want to choose which element you're gonna animate when you hover the button. In this case, it's the icon. So you press icon, and then what we want that it goes to the left, but also that it disappears. We need two animations. So let's start with the move. And here, see how you can move it. And as you can see, I can already put it to move. And I want to set this as my initial state. So when you load the page, that's where the arrow is going to be. So you press there, and then you also want the opacity to be 0 in the case. So you can put opacity to 0, and it disappears, and also set as initial state, and now you cannot see it. Then how you make it to come back, you can simply select post with Control Shift, duplicate, and then for the move, let's go for the opacity. You can put 100, and here you can go back to 0. Yes, and it's back again. Then for the animation, if you want, you can create some this linear. Let's create like ease out, and maybe a little bit more slower, 2 seconds. And let's see how it looks. So nothing, you zoom it, and it shows up. And yeah, this is it. This is small tutorial automated animation. I'm gonna talk more about animations in other videos. There's plenty of animations that you can do with Webflow, plenty interactions. This might be the most common, the hover, but there's plenty of others that you can see, and I'll show you in some other videos when I talk more about Webflow. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye.